So you're scrolling through your social media page, nothing but a plethora of negativity coming at you at the speed of light. Welcome to the technology age, because that's exactly what's going on. You're getting basically all the negativity in the world on all the news channels, and all the news channels are trying to vie for your attention. So they're going to send you every sensationalized piece of negativity. By the end of the day, you've taken on all that energy and you've consumed the social media to the point where your soul is like, enough. And then you go to sleep and you wake up and you say, I didn't get enough sleep. I don't feel well. I feel like the end of the world is coming. It's just so negative, but it's by design. Remember, they're a business, and then if your business wants to succeed, they don't really necessarily care about you and your well-being. That's evident in the last 2.5 years or so. If you want to get better day in, day out, you have to do something called silence, meditation, prayer, and understand the importance of getting to know who you are. See, you're in hypnosis. Everyone's under hypnosis. The only thing is the hypnosis working for you or is it working against you? Social media is hypnosis. So is watching a movie or a television program, listening to your favorite music and going for a jog. That's a positive form of hypnosis. And so is clinical hypnosis. Something that I've been very, very fortunate to work with many souls in this area and allow them to come to the best version of themselves. And through techniques called Kousouli neural emotive reprogramming and hypnotherapy and the Kousouli method, I've been able to do this. Basically, hacking people out of the matrix. And I do that in a very powerful way using their neurology and their mind through the subconscious science. Now, how can you get out of the matrix? Everybody who shows up on my door is exactly where you may be right now. A lot of questions and not many answers. But once you get the answers and you start getting an understanding of what is around us, things don't seem to be so gloom and doom anymore. They seem to open up and the opportunities open up. You start to see the brighter picture of things and what your creator has in store for you. See, this world is really good. I believe it's joyful, it's happy, and it's nothing but good opportunities for you. I want you to feel the same joy and happiness my clients all feel after they've changed their life. And also, I've used the same techniques myself. Actually, that's why I developed them, because I went through a lot of things. Open heart surgery 2 times. Difficulty with family and growing up, relationships. Questions I had to go deep inside myself to find out. And because I have, now I can help and counsel other people. Cheer up. Guess what? The world's going to continue. It's not the end of the world. Everything is not going to hell, and we're going to be fine. But the thing you have to ask yourself is, are you willing to be better tomorrow than you are today? If everybody did this, we would definitely have heaven on earth.